1st of May is unboxing day. Let's see what we find. There's certainly a lot of biodegradable filling material, which I like. I don't know whether being blue is something bad. And let's see what's inside. So we've got here a few parcels wrapped in a lot of bubble wrap, which means this is good, well wrapped, which is good. And I have way too much of this biodegradable material here, and I'll show you in another video that it is really biodegradable. There are two types of this filling material. Some of this filling material is biodegradable and the other material is not. So if you're interested to see what you can do with this material to get rid of it, click off the video in the link below and you'll see what happens. Right, so we've made some space and let's move on to the parcels. I assume the first one is just some track. It feels like some curved track. I honestly don't know what it is. This has been waiting for me for a while in a shop and I just have to go and collect it. Gives me, I'll have so much spare bubble wrap now. I'll be sorted until Christmas. So I don't think it really doesn't need that much bubble wrap, but I'm always happy to take all the bubble wrap which comes. And look at this, it's not even track. This looks like, oh, that's something a bit unexpected. That's a battle class Triang, I assume, yeah. And I have no idea what it's working, but look, even the stickers, pretty nice. It's pretty nice and preserved. It's in very good condition, and it looks as if it comes with a smoke unit. We'll have a look at this in a bit. Let's look at the next parcel again. I don't think all this this tape is required. Oh, they've got a mountain of wrapping here. Oh, £12 for this one. It's probably overpriced. It's an early Triang. Comes with a with a driver who's waving. That's quite cute. Looks like a newer motor has been built in and someone tried to sell it for 12 quid. Here used to be a handle where you could switch between Panto, which has been removed, and button pickup. Looks like this one is only usable for pickup from the tracks. Well, the next one is lighter, so it feels like this should be probably a tender, because it's very short. And again, tons and tons of bubble wrap. Certainly one of the most well wrapped items. No, look, you know what this is? This is from the Davy Crockett, the how do you say, the tender for the Davy Crockett. So maybe there's even a Davy Crockett in this lot, which would be pretty amazing, because that's the Davy Crockett is a quite thought after locomotive. And there's a guy, it's called Vidaloo, who's producing spare parts for the Davy Crockett. So please see the link below attached. So, this is another tank engine, has been repainted carefully, so this is all modified. So that's also a Triang or early Hornby Duplo, probably an early Hornby Duplo, or no, it's still a Triang. Repainted, really nice. Next one, certainly a lot of wrapping. I don't think it needs that much plastic for wrapping, but that's what it is. So here we got the tender. I'm not sure this is the right tender. It is. It's the right tender for this one, which is always good when things locomotive and tender come together in a package. Because often you see people selling trains and they're incomplete sets, which is quite frustrating, because then you have to go and chase a tender. Or the worst people are the ones who sell tender and locomotive separately. So well, let's carry on. I ran out of memory. So this here is the Davy Crockett, and it's not in bad shape at all. So what's missing here is this metal rods which go down there, and this valve and part of the chimney. Otherwise it seems to be in good condition, and as I said, there's a guy on eBay which sells these reprinted parts called Vidaloo, link below, and you can get these spare parts from him already colored in really good condition. Let's move on to the last two parcels. I assume this will be, I really don't know what it is, probably just more rolling stock. Let's just check. Clearly something which has been rebuilt. I think that's at an Triang, or I think it's a 350 if I'm not mistaken. Has seen better days, this one. The hook here or something, the frame is broken, but otherwise it seems to be in a very good condition. Well, I just assume this here is just the matching tender which comes with it. Have a look. Right. Yes, correct. So again, this tender is in good condition. That's a nice little lot of... Now let's bring this controller in. Right, let's bring the controller in and make this alligator clip, because it's just easier to see where it works. And obviously that's not the pickup, silly me. To put it on the pickup and onto the body screw, or the... So this one doesn't seem to work. Right. Oh. This one seems a bit dead as we're speaking. And the question is, why is it dead? I can't see a DCC chip in it. Let's check the next one. Let's give it a bit of power, and this one is working, and it's working in both directions. Obviously it's not track tested. I'd be very surprised if the Davy Crockett wasn't working, but let's try. Oh, isn't this just a beauty? I just love this engine. It runs very smoothly. Then, oops, I've touched this. Apologies for this. Then the little shunter here, very smoothly. It's got a newer motor in it. And last but not least, the battle class. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, this one is not budging. Let's see what the problem could be. I'll apply. I'll go now straight onto the body. One screw onto the body for pickup, and one screw here onto the pickup. Yeah. Ah, here we go. And in the other direction, I just have to switch polarity, and Okay, it's a bit tired. I'll just probably have to open it and clean it a bit, but overall, I don't know why this one isn't working. I'll try it again. A bit disappointed if this isn't working. Could also just do this, but oh yeah, it is working. For some reason, something didn't work before. But yeah, all 5 locomotives in good working condition. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video and this unboxing with me. And check out the link for Secret Anorak resin models. He's selling on eBay, and I think he does an absolutely amazing job with his resin models. Watch the video for the foam, which you can dissolve and what can be done, and thanks for watching.